82 Formall 51 here. Here's a go-kart that I had probably when I was 8 years old or so, or younger. My grandfather bought for me, and it was red at the time. And I've had it in the shop here, and it's set outside and set in the shop and, you know, covered with dust. And little boy here, he's son here, he wanted to kind of ride the go-kart, and so he's about 8 now, and but he's really into watching the Dukes of Hazzard, so he's enjoyed watching that. And so he wanted a little go-kart, a General Lee themed go-kart. So I've never done a video on this one, but yeah, so we went and I built a little bumper here so he couldn't run up under a car and decapitate himself. But other than that, it's same basic, like I say, we had it sandblasted and repainted, and it's held up pretty good. I had an engine, it was off of a chipper, little small yard chipper somebody had given me, and chipper was really no good, so I kept the engine just to, you know, you can put it on anything, side shaft engine like that, and those little engines are pretty expensive. That's 5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton, so it's a pretty good engine, but if you hadn't noticed, the go-kart looks a little off. And that's because he was out riding last week, or last Saturday, and he come running back, and he said, told me, said the go-kart was trying to climb the tree, or climb, you know, broke in half. And I'm thinking, what in the heck happened? On the other side here, let's see. The only thing I can figure is somehow the frame must have got some mortar in it, and it broke here. And he said it wouldn't turn right or something. For some reason, it kept trying to turn on him, and what happened was it broke here, and I'm still attached over here. Well, eventually it broke here. You can see it broke there. So that's a clean break, but over here it's got a little bit of rust on that break there. So that's had to have been where it had come apart. But anyway, it had come loose and was trying to push up, and it kind of hit the back of the thing here. Scared him to death. Scared us to death too. But anyway, it was trying to, the engine was still going full blast when it broke in half. So anyway, he was fine. Nobody was hurt. And it was kind of funny after it's all said and done. But anyway, we're getting that worked on. I'm going to weld that back. Put me a piece of pipe in here and strengthen that, and check some other areas, make sure that nothing else will break in half. But that part over here will be, that won't be too bad to weld. I'll grind that down and fix that. But this here, I'm going to put a piece of pipe in here and bridge that, and then weld around it and make it work. But it's an old school, straight, no suspension, back breaker go-kart. Like I say, it's old school. None of the fancy, you know, roll cages and, you know, all like that. But like I say, I've got it dialed back where he cannot go but so fast with it. But anyway, like I say, it's just eventually broke. But anyway, thanks for watching, and like I say, we'll might do some video once we get it back together. So anyway, all right, thanks for watching.